Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial video where we're gonna learn how to create a store for free and in less than 5 minutes in Storeino.com. And you can also start selling immediately after creating the store. So first of all, we need to go to Storeino.com and then click on create store for free. Here, as you can see, this minimalist and simple page, and it only asks for basic information. So let's fill in the blank. Here we have the full name. We're gonna write it down and then write down the email, and also we need to create a password for our store. Now for the phone section, you can change the country to whatever country you are currently staying in. So let's write down a number. And for the last step, we have the store name. So I'm gonna go with this. And as you can see here, the domain for our store is taken from the store name. So we can change that with whatever we are comfortable with, or we can leave it as it stands. For me, I'm gonna change it. And then we're gonna click on create your online store. And just like that, our store is created. So let's take this survey just to make our experience better on the Storeino platform. Continue. And you can download the complete guide to e-commerce, or you can just close the page. Now here we have the dashboard. It's a very simple and useful dashboard and a bunch of buttons that will make your experience better on Storeino.com. Here we have the tutorials as well. So if you need any information, you just need to click on them and you're gonna find whatever you want. Here we have the support chat if you are facing any problems, and here we have the language icon and the three options: English, French, and Arabic. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something and see you in the next one.